Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you how to fix lag in Overwatch 2 using some quick and simple settings. So without any further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Lower graphics settings. First, launch Overwatch 2 on your PC. Click the menu icon in the top right corner to open settings. Next, tap on Options. Go to the Graphic Quality tab. Set graphics quality to low or medium. Go back to Video tab. Turn off features like VSync and Dynamic Render Scale. Step 2. Enable Reduce Buffering. In the same Video tab, turn Reduce Buffering to on. This helps lower input delay and improve performance. Step 3. Check Network Settings. Go to the Gameplay tab in the Settings. Under Network section, turn Network Quality Notification to on. This will help you see if the lag is due to ping, packet loss, or FPS drops. Step 4. Close background apps. Before launching the game, close any apps that use internet or CPU like Chrome, Discord, or downloads. This frees up more resources for Overwatch 2. And that's how you can fix lag in Overwatch 2 with some quick and easy settings.